I'll show you how to install the Internet Download Manager. It's pre-activated, it doesn't need any serial keys. You just tap and install it. I will guide you through. Let's go. First you gotta do is uninstall the current version of IDM. Make sure it's fully uninstalled. When you're done, then go to the website. I have pasted the link in the description below. Then click link 1, then download it. Already have it downloaded, so it's in the zip file, so I will have to unzip it. Click OK and check this. Check the English language. Choose directory. Install it. Ignore this if you have this. If you see this, you gotta ignore this. Click OK. Then go to Chrome, go to your browser, and go to extensions, then make sure it's enabled. IDM extension is enabled. Make it sure. So it catches the links. Go to YouTube and try it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe.